Hello friends. Welcome to PGEUP tutorial. Today in this video we are going to discuss how we can enable auto reply on the business page. So let's start. Open the page and click on the Settings button. Then click on the Messaging tab. Turn on this one. Then turn on the greeting message. To customize the message, click on the Change button. Enter your message and click on the Save button. Then click on the Setup Automated Message. When you turn on the Away message, it will be automatically sent the message when we are not online. We can set schedule by clicking the Edit button. In the Frequently Asked Questions section, suggest questions that people can ask your page. Then set up automated responses to those questions. To add, just click the Edit button and click on Add a Question. Enter the question and answer and click on the Save button. In the Job Application Received section, respond to someone who's applied for a job that you've posted. To edit it, just click on the Edit button. In the Appointment Reminder section, send customers an automatic reminder via messenger or text message (SMS) the day before their appointment. In the Appointment Follow-up, automatically send customers a message after their appointment to encourage them to book again. To edit it, just click on the Edit button. In the Page Recommended section, send a message after someone publicly shares that they recommend your page. To edit it, just click on the Edit button. So I hope you learn from this video. Thanks for watching.